Dun, dun, dun. Randall made it. Actually got in like around 6:30 maybe yesterday evening. Made good time. Beautiful new trailer. And we'll have to get the 2-cent tour later. Oh, good morning, guys. So it is Monday morning, and we're gonna take Randall out for a little cruise in the dunes, meaning he's gonna follow on his KTM 530, and we're gonna take El Razor back there. And then I think in a little bit after lunch, we're gonna load my 450 and his bike into the back of his truck and go do an afternoon ride, be gone for a bit longer. I'm itching to ride, so that's gonna be the plan for in a little bit. But right now we're gonna see how he fares without a paddle tire on the 530, take him over into the dunes, do a little cruise around and have a little bit of fun. So that is this morning's plan. We got another beautiful day of weather. Lucking out. Look at blue skies. I think it was projected to be cloudy today, but so far, so great. Love this state. Off we go. Beautiful trail.
What a great trail.
Man. There he is. There he is. How was that section right out the gate, that super steep rock climb?
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah, but just think if we'd been on the 790s.
Yeah, no. That would have sucked a little bit.
Do you think we would have made it up that?
Oh, sure.
Gosh, that was steep.
Maybe we had to hit it a couple of times.
You know, hit it with some speed.
Yeah.
I felt bad because I was like, oh shit, he'd probably like to carry a little bit more speed than I am through this.
That's all right.
Wasn't too bad.
I thought it was cool, like down there in the pines, kind of reminded me of Mammoth.
Yeah.
When we were up there.
Yeah, we did get to ride through snow for a second.
I know, right? Yeah. There was no snow in August, but.
That's right.
No, these are great trails.
Beautiful trails.
It's not bad dusty at all, just enough wind to blow the dust off.
Yeah, no, I'll keep looking at you going, okay, good, it's not bad.
No, it's not killing me at all. Not like last time we were here. Super dusty.
It's funny because it's like, which way did we go last time to get to go that direction?
Yeah, I know. No, I My shirt couldn't get us back there.
Beautiful though. Super just awesome views everywhere you look. Still got some snow. Just gorgeous scenery though, everywhere.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Well, Randall to the rescue. We have loaded my bike successfully into the bed of his truck, and he rode his street legal version, which I need to have someday, right behind us. And here we are in the dunes. We're gonna go have a good time, do some ripping, which I've been waiting to do for days. Thanks, Mr. B. Good one. That was a good climb right there. Woo! Damn, it was fun. I don't think Randall's making it up that. So close. Dude, that's steep. I mean, if I could have cut that better, I almost made it. Man,
We went way down there. I'm glad you knew where the hell we were.
I couldn't see shit coming back.
No.
Could you? I mean, I was like,
I could see you in front of me.
gah. That was a ton of fun. Are you laughing because you know I'm going to be recording out here? Yeah. She's laughing at me. Man, that was a good time. I try not to do this in front of strangers because it looks weird when people drive by and you're just holding the camera, pointing it at your face, having a conversation. Anyways, thank goodness Randall showed up. I got a dirt bike ride in. It was a blast, as you guys witnessed. That is my favorite thingest ever in the worldest ever. Favoritist of all time. So we killed it and had fun, and now we're back in camp, and we're just going to hang out probably for a little bit and then do another car ride. I think Tiffany wants to go for a ride in the back. So we're going to put her on the old bench seat and cruise back up into the dunes the back way. Putt around a little bit. Show her the, yeah, she hasn't been here. Show her around and then probably just come back and do some heavy drinking here shortly. Looking forward to that. And some cooking. Guys, I hope you enjoy it. So I don't know when I'm going to be checking back in, but we'll be checking back in at some point. All right, then.